Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is a structured tutorial on C programming that moves from beginner to advanced topics. Each section includes explanations and code examples. C programming tutorial, from beginner to advanced. Table of contents. 1. Introduction to C. What is C? Setting up the environment. Your first C program. 2. Basic concepts. Data types. Variables and constants. Operators. Control structures. 3. Functions. Defining and calling functions. Function parameters and return values. Scope and lifetime of variables. 4. Arrays and strings. Introduction to arrays. Strings in C. Multidimensional arrays. 5. Pointers. Understanding pointers. Pointer arithmetic. Pointers and arrays. 6. Structures and unions. Defining structures. Using structures. Unions. 7. File I/O. Reading from and writing to files. File operations. 8. Dynamic memory management. Using malloc, calloc, realloc, and free. Memory leaks and debugging. 9. Advanced topics. Preprocessor directives. Macros. Multi-threading, using threads. 10. Conclusion and best practices. 1. Introduction to C. What is C? C is a general-purpose programming language that is widely used for system programming, application development, and embedded systems. It provides low-level access to memory and gives the programmer control over system resources. Setting up the environment. To write and compile C code, you need a C compiler. Popular options include GCC, GNU Compiler Collection, and Clang. You can also use IDEs like CodeBlocks, Visual Studio, or online compilers. Your first C program. Explanation **. Includes sto.h, includes the standard input-output library. Int main, the main function where execution begins. Printf, a function used to print output to the console. Return 0, indicates that the program finished successfully. 2. Basic concepts. Data types. C supports several data types. Int, integer type. Float, single precision floating point. Double, double precision floating point. Char, character type. Variables and constants. Operators. C supports various operators, such as arithmetic, plus, dash, asterisk, slash, %. Relational, equals. Logical, and. Control structures. 3. Functions. Defining and calling functions. Function parameters and return values. Scope and lifetime of variables. 4. Arrays and strings. Introduction to arrays. Strings in C. Multidimensional arrays. 5. Pointers. Understanding pointers. Pointer arithmetic. Pointers and arrays. 6. Structures and unions. Defining structures. Using structures. Unions. 7. File I/O. Reading from and writing to files. 8. Dynamic memory management. Using malloc, calloc, realloc, and free. Memory leaks and debugging. Always use free, to release memory allocated with malloc, calloc, or realloc to prevent memory leaks. Dash. 9 Advanced topics. Preprocessor directives. Macros. Multi-threading, using threads. Dash. 10 Conclusion and best practices. Always initialize your variables. Comment your code for clarity. Follow naming conventions for variables, functions, and types. Use meaningful identifiers. Keep your code modular by using functions and structures. This tutorial provides a comprehensive overview of C programming. As you progress, practice coding regularly to solidify your understanding of the concepts. Happy coding!